we're going to make a new project. I'm going to make a small round table made out of walnut from my neighbor. So I ordered this slab of black walnut from Romania. I just got it in, so let's get it started.